One of the most powerful practices is moving into a place of absolute stillness. And in the world that we live in, it's not very still, it's very busy. And I find that this practice is the easiest to get into before everybody has awoken. So it's maybe 4 in the morning, it's 5 in the morning, the world is still quiet. And or it's just as the sun is rising, because when the sun is rising and the sun is setting, it's when the veils are thinnest between the realms. So you have the ability to access your dimensional self the most easily at sunrise and sunset, maybe even half an hour before sunrise. So this is a practice that you can do in bed, and you can do it at the end of the day. Although if you do like having a glass of wine, I recommend not doing it at the end of the day, or just pausing on the wine, and then you can do it at the end of the day, and or just doing it in the morning. So you take a few deep breaths, and you're ideally are lying on your back if that's comfortable. You can have pillows propped up underneath you, under your shoulders, neck, but you don't want your neck kinked. So again, on your back, and you want to place a hand either on the heart chakra, upper heart, lower heart chakra, solar plexus. You could do the second chakra. Just kind of feel into where your hand's going to be most comfortable. And you want to bring it to the center line and have your hands, both hands ideally, on the energy centers. And it could be both hands on the heart chakra, one hand on the heart chakra, one hand on the second chakra, the third chakra, whatever feels comfortable. And you have your eyes closed, and you use your breath to pull yourself into your divine line. And because it's 4 or 5 in the morning, or even 3 in the morning, you might not be fully up for full throttle protocol, and you don't have to be. And so you do this little mantra, and the mantra with your breath, your inhale, you're using the inhale: in my line, in my line of light, in my line of light, in my line of light. And you're just repeating, in my line of light. You're pulling yourself into your line of light, into your divine line, into my divine line. All my awareness into my divine line. All my awareness into my divine line. Whatever words work for you, that is the essence of all of your anchors, all your awareness in your line of light. Body, all your awareness in your line of light that flows through your spine, your spinal cord. Teams, all your awareness in your lines of light. Now, if that feels like too much, you can just say, me, body, teams, all our awareness in our lines of light, all our awareness in our lines of light, all our awareness in our lines of light. And you do it really slowly. So you're lying in bed, hands on your energy center, all my awareness in my line of light. And it's a silent mantra that you're doing, because when we make the out loud sound, it's almost like too much vibration, and it wakes the body up too much. So it's this silent, all my lines, all my awareness in my line of light. And then you start to relax your body. So you keep using your inhale. You start to relax your body around you, around your line of light. And you say, body, relaxing all aspects of your being. And you're bringing your awareness, you're having your body bring its awareness to the neck, the shoulders, relaxing the neck, the shoulders, relaxing the back body, relaxing the hips. And you can be simultaneously relaxing the body while you're in the mantra, all my awareness, all my anchors in my line of light. Relaxing the body, all my anchors in my line of light. Relaxing the body, all my anchors in my line of light. And you do this for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then you're going to start to feel a vibrational shift. Now, the good thing is that you're bringing all of your awareness into your line of light, and you're dropping onto the front of the spine. You're getting grounded in the body, so that when your energy fields start to expand, because you're so relaxed and you're moving into this place of absolute stillness inside yourself, and your energy fields expand, you're not going to go into a state of disorientation. It's not going to be scary, because again, you've taken some moments to get yourself fully anchored onto the front of the spine. And then as the energy fields start to expand, then you silently say, "Team, encircle me. Team, encircle me." Holding your awareness in your lines of light. And then you keep doing that for 20 seconds, a minute. And then you start just holding the stance of you have a team of beings that are around you that are amazing. You have 7 or 6 or 8 beings, and they're amazing. They are powerful, incredible beings. You're like, wow, I'm in an amazing crew. I have this amazing group of incredibly powerful beings encircling me. What would it be like to have like 7 archangels encircling you? And that would be your team. Now, your team's typically not archangels. Sometimes they might be. Your guides would be archangels for sure. But recognize that you have beings that encircle you, that you are part of a group fabric, and they are amazing. And you are part of that group. And then you feel this profound sense of connection with the group fabric. You feel this incredible support, this safety, this camaraderie, this humor, this joy, this laughter. And then you're just sitting in stillness, connected to your lines of light, feeling this group field in this really still, quiet mantra of we're just going to sit and be with each other in stillness for a minute, for 2 minutes. Let's just sit and be in stillness with this amazingness of all that we are. And you're just feeling the fabric of that. And you're resetting in that stillness. And this is only a practice that you can do. Well, maybe I'll bring in a daily cup specifically for it. But those are the steps of how to move into a place of stillness, body totally relaxed in your line of light, and then feeling your team around you and feeling that incredible group field.